welcome to Be With Me. I'm Kay, your host from Fantastic Stars Beads. Welcome. The show is a little show for inspiration, motivation, and whatever is trending here in the bead life here at Stars Beads. So if you are new, please say hello, even on the replay. I always love knowing where you're coming in from, what you like to play with, how you found me. Maybe it was from the Great Bead Extravaganza. Maybe it's from the Soft Flex crew. We've got so much going on here, and I'm just popping on here this Wednesday because you know, we still need a little beading break, but I just wanted to put out a little reminder that I'm going to be having a little beading party here today with not just me, but we're also going to be joining the wonderful girls over at Soft Flex. So we'll be seeing Sarah Ayler and Kristen Fagan, and I'm going to open, so I saved myself a little bit of a surprise. So, you know, that's kind of part of the fun. I'd like to be a little bit spontaneous. Like I always like to tell you guys, there's not enough surprises in life. And so I do the same thing to myself. And so I like you guys to join in that kind of part of the fun. So I have their kit here. I started thinking about opening it, but then I thought maybe you guys haven't even gotten a chance to see it. And so I thought I'd do a quick little opening, see what's in it, and then I'm going to get my brain thinking so that when 6 o'clock hits here tonight, I'm going to be joining over at the Soft Flex show. We should be sharing it onto the page if we're not able to kind of duplicate the live stream to our page. So either way, you can join both pages. That way then you'll get into the know and see what our beading party brings out. So I'm super excited to play with that, along with another box arrived. You know, the UPS man drove up and hit the like sign if you know what I'm talking about. Like UPS man or like the mail person, and you're like, I hope it's beads, I hope it's beads. You know, I mean, we ordered plenty of things from Amazon, you know, and so I was like, oh, I don't want it to be the Amazon, don't get me an Amazon box. And the UPS man comes in and he's like, well, my boxes might be a little bit bigger, but like, you guys, this box right here, I don't even know if I can. This is what the UPS man brought here today. Can you guys see? So like, I just like popped it open, and here, see, and he came with this, and I was like, oh, it's beads. You guys know what I'm talking about. Like, so here's a little glimpse of, I don't know what else I can fit in, you know, like I wanted to take that whole warehouse home. And so I tried. I tried. So there were a lot of goodies. We're gonna take a look and see what came in the box. Okay. I thought I'd enjoy a little bit of the outdoor weather. I'm hoping that maybe the signal was a little bit better. So I didn't have internet the last couple days, and so that's what I realized, that's why maybe my signal was so wonky. So, you know, I'm hoping that things look okay out here today, and we're gonna try it out. Maybe play outside and kind of see how the signal is. So can you guys let me know if you guys are hearing me okay, seeing me okay? I'm gonna flip the screen and let's take a look and see what's on Kay's table here today, okay? All right, I'm excited because I'm making kits for you guys. You know, I don't always get myself together enough to like be as awesome as Soft Flex is in getting my kits together. But I'm part of their customer appreciation week, and so, you know, I'm pulling kits together. I'm you know, I'm used to pulling Friday Night Lives and just giving you all the all the choices. All right, so I started opening it, but I didn't want to like go through it. Oh, I stuck my little I think I know what I want to add to the mix here. But look, I just always love their kits and playing and seeing what, you know, what inspires us. Oh, you know what? Look at these great these great cream colors. You know what? I've already got ideas. Okay, so these are some beautiful check glass strands. Okay, these are some nice fire polish in a 4mm and 8mm. I love this coppery color tone. I know we have some crystals and stuff that's going to match this sort of thing. And then I always love the combinations that are made by the Jesse James Company. They use a lot of crystals like I like, and a lot of color. So I'm going to be opening that pack here. They've sent, let's see what else they sent here. Let's see, I can't, little copper, it looks like some leaves getting ready for fall. These kind of look like some pieces from Vintage. So that looks fun. Is that like a little fox? That's cute. That's super cute. And then they sent a nice, let's see if it tells me the color so I can be proper about it. The red, hey, the red jasper. So if you guys were part of our gemstone round sale, I know that we had some red jasper. This is a perfect color to match it. But you know what this is also going to go with? The box opening from Monday, right? Like the wood, like maybe a crystal skull. That's what I had in the bag, so I was thinking, oh, look at that. I think the colors might match. All right, so my brain's gonna start going. So 6 o'clock, you guys, join the girls and I for a little bit of fun. We're gonna be playing with this kit and seeing what comes out of it. So my brain's gonna be thinking. 6 o'clock, you guys, and if you guys are liking this kit, I believe that you can still hop over to softflex.com and grab one, okay? All right, and then let's scoot over to this other area. You guys ready? All right, let's see what's over here. All right, so this is like an ever endless box. We can see, look, just bags and bags. But look at what's in these bags. Oh, I don't remember seeing this color. But look, you guys, I've got, you know, the secret to good jewelry is like the findings. And look at how pretty those. This totally looks like London Blue Topaz. It's a crystal, but we'll get that under maybe some color. But that is one fantastic color. Do you guys remember maybe all individually packaged? Oh look, there's a nice green color. Oh, there we go. There's my silver and purple. Okay, so these are all the different posts. And then look, I started, this was all in this box. I mean, I'm still going through the layers, but like, boxes and boxes. But then I got, look, what's under these boxes. Look at this. So then I get to layers and layers of goodies. So I don't know if you guys can see what's down in here, but let's get a little bit closer, shall we? You guys see what's in here? Hopefully I'm moving slow enough here today, but look, we've got crystal pieces du jour. Look at that. What do you guys think? Lots of fun links. Look at this cone. Look at that sparkly cone. And like, look, there's layers. Look, there's another layer. Look, those are some sparkle beads. Look, these were some of like the pendants maybe that we didn't even get a chance to see. I'm gonna get them too messed up. Look at that. Oh, there's short ones, there's long ones, there's, you know, oh, look at that. there's a pave. Ooh, who likes those pave gold beads? All right, so we're talking, you know, I gotta work my way through this box. You know, this catches my eye. Look at those. Look at those little crystal links. And kind of give you an idea. I don't know if you guys remember. When I had done a kit, remember I had some of these crystal drops. And then we were making samples using those new crystals that we had during the warehouse sale. We had done this new shape. So you can see how the posts look with a lot of different colored drops. So, alright. That was mine. I'm just popping in. And then we're going to be playing. So come join me at 6 o'clock here in just a couple hours, okay? And then we're going to have a bit longer of a beading break and actually get to beading. Today, right now, was just a little teaser and a reminder to come join me here at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, you guys, game on. We'll see you guys here soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye.